Hi, welcome to Smack's online tutorials. In this tutorial we'd like to talk about the discount codes and or promotions in your e-commerce store. Basically discount code, promotion code, enter a code and get a discount. So how does it work? So here we can see we've got our promotions, discount codes. So you can rename promotions to anything you like using the dictionary. But let's have a look to see what we have. Let's have a look at this one. Here's our discount code. Once we enter that discount code, this will be displayed to the web user that they've entered the code correctly, and this is what you're going to get. So this could be here. You will have a discount of $10. This here is single use only, so the discount code can only be used once. Here's our dates when that discount code is active. Any entering of the discount code outside of these dates, it will not work, will not be registered. This is the discount code is active, and this is how we apply this discount to the complete order. We reduce the order by a fixed amount entered in here, or we enter it by a percentage amount. We can see now this is switched over to percentage. So that's how the discount is calculated on the complete order. So let's have a look again at promotions. Here we can see the amount of times the discount code has been used. We can see the discount code active or not active. We can delete the discount code. Let's add a new one. New discount will be displayed. Here's our dates: active percent 25%. New discount will be displayed. This is what will be displayed. So the discount code has to be a code. I mean, that wasn't a code. It could be that. There. So that now, when we enter this, we will have that code. This means it's been used. Okay, it's very simple. Discounts. So we can sort here on sort by. Let's go settings, dictionary, and we look in here, and we've got our. We can search for discount promotions. Promotion. How do you spell promotion? Promotions. So there we can change our discount code to be discount codes. Discounts. Save. So rather than now displaying promotions, discount codes. Okay, I think that about wraps up discount codes. Thank you very much for watching.